Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about arbitrary arguments. Let's understand with a function. So I'll create a function to add two numbers. I'll print C. Now I'll call this function and pass these two values. Fine, it'll work. You can see. But now what if I specify here 3 parameters? So it's not possible because this will take only 2 parameters. So you'll get error. You can see positional argument, but 3 were given. So it is expecting 2. Now in a situation where we are not sure how many arguments are there and we want to perform some operation, we can use arbitrary arguments list. So let's convert this program. Here we can specify arguments. This part I'll comment and let's print this argument list. Now let's run it and you can see it works. I'll call this function one more time. So you can see here different number of parameters and it works. But then how it is working, what type of value it is. Let's print the type of this argument variable. You can see it's a tuple. So here when we pass these values, that will be a part of this tuple and then it will be passed here so that we can access it. Now any number of parameters we can pass from this function when we call it and it will work. Now let's find the total. So how to find? Let's say it is total and we know the function sum, built-in function, and pass the iterable. Let's print here sum equals to total and run it. You can see it will work. Now user don't have to worry about how many parameters we have to pass. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 10. You can see it works. So this is arbitrary arguments. What if I use a variable here? So how it will work? So the first value will be assigned to A. The other value, these value will be a part of tuple. So for example, let's comment this part and it should because we are adding this value, we are finding the sum. So A will be assigned 12 and 2 will go to this list tuple. Now if you run this, the sum is 2, not 14. So here we can pass this way also, variable, and the rest of the parameters are tuple. Now first parameter should be there, other than that it's optional how many are there, 2, 3, 4 or whatever value you want to specify.